Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will introduce myself. My name is Indran Khalifah from Department of English Education at UIN Raden Intan, Lampung. Now, I will present the result of my proposal about the influence of using English song towards the student vocabulary mastery. Background of the problem. English has become an international language for communication around the world. Many people have used English to support their life goals. Harjono Rainer, 2001, suggests that English is an international language so that it becomes the most widely spoken language in the world. In learning a foreign language, learning vocabulary is exceptionally critical. Sugito, 2009, explained that vocabulary is the first, all words contained in one language, and the second, the rightness of words owned by a speaker, and the third, words used in one field of science, and the last, a list of words arranged like a dictionary accompanied by brief and practical explanation. One of the efforts to improve student vocabulary mastery in learning English is to use learning media that are effective, interesting, and fun for students. When not using media as teaching aids make a student look bored and led in receiving the subject matter. This timely have a negative impact on children language development in future, especially foreign language. Therefore, researchers decided to conduct a study to find out how the influence of using English song in improving student vocabulary mastery. Okay, and then identification of the problem. Based on the background of the problem above, it can be said that problem in this study include the first, the influence of using English song on student vocabulary mastery, and the second, student perception of the use of English song on vocabulary mastery. Limitation of the problem. Based on the point of view of the title and background above, for limitation and to facilitate the preparation of this thesis, the author will limit the material to be studied. This study will affect the effect or influence of using English song in improving student vocabulary mastery. And then formulation of the problem. Based on background above, the problems that need to be answered through this research are: the first, what is effect of using English song on student vocabulary mastery? And the second, how are student perception of the use of English songs on vocabulary mastery? And then the objective of the researcher. Based on those problem statement, the study are to the first is to analyze the influence of using English song on student vocabulary mastery, and the second to know the student perception of the use of English songs in vocabulary mastery. And then method of research. There are, the first is written tests as instrument. Written tests on subject matter to be studied and related to vocabulary mastery. And the second, using a questionnaire. The questionnaire asks about the subject perception of the use of English songs to improve vocabulary mastery. And then significance of the study. The following are some of the significance of research is the first explain to readers, the teacher and student that there are effective techniques for developing word mastery. And the second, using song media to provide understanding to students who want to improve vocabulary mastery so they don't get bored easily. And the last, instilling the belief that when used properly and responsible, this medium of song can help us learn language better and more efficiently. And the last scope of the research. There are the first research subject. The subject of the research were students and readers. And the second research object is the object of research is an English song. And the third research place and time. In this study, the author is very flexible in conducting the research. Okay, I think enough for me. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.